Hi guys, I'm here with another little trick for your crochet, in case you didn't know, because I hear lately a lot of people talking about it. What happens when you don't chain enough chains for your project, and then you do your first row or whatever stitches you're doing, and then at the end you realize that you needed more. So you don't have to rip it the whole thing out. There is a solution for that. So let's start with our slip knot and a quick chain. Okay, so we have our chain. Let's say we're going to do a row of double crochets. Okay, so you're done with your first row and you realize that you needed a few more. And so what do? So we don't have to, like I said, rip it out. We can just add a few more right here. So what you want to do is you're gonna create first an extra chain. So we're gonna yarn over, since we're doing a double crochet. I'm gonna go right here. We're gonna flip it upside down. Okay, and we're gonna pull through one loop, and that creates your extra chain. And now we're gonna pull through two and pull through the next two, and that gives you a double crochet. Okay, so for the next one you're gonna do the same thing, but you're gonna go under this little V right here on the bottom. Oops. There you go. So you pull through and then through one loop to make the chain, and then work your double crochet. And here you go. Now we have two extras, and you keep going the same way. You go under the two V's, under the V in here. There you go. Pull through one loop, and then work your double crochet. And there you have it. So this way you don't have to restart your whole project. You know, you can just add to your first row. Alternatively, if you make a couple of extra chains, it's also not a big deal. What you just do, you can undo your slip knot, or you can cut it too. Not that big of a deal. I know it seems scary, but it's not. Okay, there you go. It just comes right out, and then you can just tie it over there. And this way, again, you don't have to restart the whole thing. I hope you didn't know about these tips before, and I hope today I taught you something new. Enjoy!